We're back to give you the legal edge. It is summer, and that means cars and trucks will be sharing the roads with bicycles very soon. Well, they are already. It's not summer just yet, but you know what I mean. But what happens when they collide? Well, attorney Brian Mulburn from the Sinus Stramus law firm is here to tell you about that and much more.
Michigan law makes it very clear that people riding bicycles have a right to do so on public roadways unless they do it on what's called a limited access highway, what I think of as an expressway. Motorists obviously should appreciate the fact that bicycles have a right to be there. They ought to keep an eye out for bicycles. And the law says that if they're passing a bicyclist, they have to give that bicycle at least 3 feet between the car and the bicycle. The law says that you're allowed to cross a center line that you wouldn't otherwise be allowed to cross if it's to give the cyclist that safe passing distance, but you have to wait until you can do it safely. Now, if there is a crash involving a cyclist, Michigan's no-fault auto insurance laws will apply if a motor vehicle is involved. A bicycle is not considered a vehicle or a motor vehicle under Michigan law, but if a cyclist is struck by a car and injured, or even if a motor vehicle is involved in any way, then the no-fault system will apply. And in cases where the motorist is at fault, motorist doesn't see the cyclist or comes too close to the cyclist and inadvertently knocks the cyclist down, which we commonly see happen. In those cases, there can also be what's called a liability claim or a personal injury claim brought against the motorist on behalf of the cyclist for personal injury damages.